Hi everyone. In my previous session I have started the Gurus of TQM. So in this presentation we shall see about the cross by 14 points. So what the cross by have invented means the first one is management commitment. So whatever the work we do there should be a commitment from management side. So without the support of management nothing is possible in the company. So it's sole important, it's sole responsibility of management to support the employees and to work along with them. And the second one is quality improvement team. There should be a quality assessing team at each and every organization, because they will be continuously monitoring or checking the process which we are doing, right? So there should be a quality assessment team. And third one is quality measurement. So through the team what we have to do means they need to measure the work what we have done, and the continuous measurement should be there. And fourth one is evaluation of cost of quality. Evaluation of cost of quality means how much required for the quality should be evaluated. Actually for the quality cost, actually it is very less, because when you are working for quality, when people are started working for the quality, initially if it requires a little amount also, in future it will not require any amount, because it is based only on the work, it is not based on any cost. Okay, the next one is quality awareness. Everyone should be everybody should be known about the result of the product which they are doing. They should be aware of, okay, what this will affect, what effect it will give to the environment. That should be fully monitored by the people. And next one is corrective action. If they find any flaws, okay, my quality is not good, means they need to make action on that. And the next one is established committee for zero defect planning. Established committee means you need to make a committee separately. That committee objectives should be making us zero defects. As Philip Crosby always says that do first it in the right time, and there should be zero effects. It should be done with the committee, right? And the next one is supervisor team training. Supervisor training means the person who is a supervisor, he should not be like giving orders and making others and forcing others and all. He should be like do along with the people, and he should be like very friendly, and he should know the work and he need to work along with the people. And next one is zero defect day. A zero defect day means when they are achieving even a small success in the organization, that should be celebrated with the employees. So that is called as a zero defect day. And next one is goal setting. So they need to set a good correct goal for the entire team, and everyone have to work for that proper goal. And the error cause removal means um, whatever is causing the errors, that should be removed. And recognition, as I said, rewards should be given. Everyone should be recognized if they are doing see, for example, if they are achieving something, they should be recognized by the management, and they have to be rewarded for the work which they have done. So this is called recognition. And the next one is Genichi Taguchi. So I already told you that Genichi Taguchi have described about the loss function. So that itself called as Taguchi's loss function. Like his methodologies is fully concerned with ensuring the customer satisfaction, and like Taguchi's method is by designing the experiments. He will be designing like what will happen if we implement that, what is the design of does design output, like that he will be like designing the experiments, right? And he have plotted the loss function figure out of it. And he says that a quality product is a product that causes minimal loss. There should be very minimal loss. So when comparing it with the money, okay, the loss should be very minimum to the society for the entire life of the period. Okay, and the relationship between the loss and the technical characteristics is expressed in terms of loss function. So his objective is to work for the very minimum loss. So during for the society, he just plotted one loss function diagram. We shall see about that. So this is very famously called Taguchi's loss function. Here you can see, for example, they have taken one product, and that product height may be like, see, the target value they have taken, okay, and they have plotted with respect to lower specification limit and higher upper specification limit. Okay, from lower specification limit, what is the losses occurred, to upper specification limit, what is the losses incurred. So like a curve we have drawn. See, this is a sample one. By using a traditional view, what happened? So see, parallelly both the sides you have to draw simultaneously. Okay, using the lower specification limit. What is the loss? If it is the loss is more, means continuously you need to work, design for experiments such a way that it need to make a very less loss. So you need to work for it finally until it comes the target value, that is zero defects. You need to work for it. And also using the upper specification limit, there will be sure there will be some upper losses, right? From that you need to work together, you need to work for becoming it into the lesser limit. So together if you work, you at one particular point it will become no loss, the target value will be achieved. See, for one product it is having a 30 mm of like it's a correct one, 30 mm is the correct dimension. But how they found this 30 mm means they started with 27 mm, which is the minimum specification, and also they started parallelly with 33 mm, that is the highest specification, and they worked for it, finally they ended with 30 mm. So they are found using this Taguchi's loss function figure. So this is how you need to draw this one. Okay, so this is traditional, means lower specification limit is obtained from very old methodologies or experiments you have done earlier. And higher methodologies is like now which you are like observing from the competitors, or even which you prefer like more. Okay, through that they have drawn this figure. Okay, I'll be continuing my lecture in the next video. Thank you all.